generac gp5500 less than a year old, will not stay running, sometimes stalls when you move from choke to full run. Brand new gas in the tank, ran for like 2 years at one point then shut down, after that runs for 5 to 30 minutes then shuts down.
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. How old is the oldest gas that's been in it? Was there stabilizer mixed with it specifically designed for ethanol-blended fuels?
Earlier this year, there was gas that was like 3 months old, non-stabilized. Earlier this year it did not start. I pulled the carb, cleaned it up, dumped the old gas, put fresh gas that has been stabilized in it. Generator ran last month for a test of about 30 minutes. Ran today a total of 4 hours on/off, 2 hours running full out, and 2 hours with stalling and restarting. Current gas is fresh with stable.
Reason I was asking is that stalling when moving from choke is usually due to plugging in the carburetor. When you cleaned the carb, was the tank flushed as well as dumped? Was the old fuel line replaced? If not, my suspicion is that there was some gunk that got into the carburetor from one of those two sources. I would drop the bowl and check for any debris and take a look at the jet and other passages to make sure they are clear, and also the needle and seat. Site guidelines require that I post all troubleshooting steps or partial answers as answers, but this may not be the final answer. Additional troubleshooting may be required. So please hold off on rating until we determine the exact problem. If this doesn't solve it, or if you need additional assistance in applying this answer to your specific situation, please use the reply to expert link so we can continue the discussion.
I dropped the carb, cleaned the bowl and sprayed the jets, and ran a fine needle carefully through to clear anything. Everything looked okay. I put it back together now and fired it up. So far so good. Thanks. Mike.
Really glad to hear it. Thank you so much, and best of success. If you're in the Sandy area, stay dry. As a follow-up, I would also suggest picking up some mechanic in a bottle on your next trip to Home Depot or Walmart. Mix it with the fuel according to the label directions. This does a tremendous job of cleaning out the fuel system. It's inexpensive and highly recommended. Mechanic in a Bottle website.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.